team, so Ryobi have recently released an 18-volt telescopic scrubber. And I honestly, I didn't know that I would love this thing so much. It makes you want to clean your house and clean your car and all those sorts of things. I just love it. I think it is such an epic tool. It is waterproof, fully waterproof. You can like submerge it in water because it has a waterproof housing. And you can get different heads. So I'm going to be cleaning my car and my spouting, show you cleaning my patio, and also doing some dusting inside with it. There's so many uses. I just thought I'd show you guys a few of the features, and instead of showing pretty pictures online saying, hey, Ryobi gifted us this product, I'm actually going to put it to the test and show you guys just how good it is. This is not a review because my review is that this thing is epic. I have nothing to compare it against, but I just love it. I think it's very cool. As I mentioned, it comes with multiple brush heads, so it's super easy to switch through your brush heads. You literally just twist and take it off. So it comes with the medium bristle brush head, and I also got given the hard bristle brush head, so I'm going to use that because I have got a little bit of moss on the gutters. So I will just apply this one here, just like that. And we're good to go. This button right here is all you need to do. So once it's pressed, it's engaged and it is turning. And that's all you need to do. And then to turn it off, you just press it again. In a bucket I have some resin, patio and house wash. And what I do is I just turn the machine on and then I turn it on again when I've reached the spouting. So I'll just do this, and then I'll turn it on up here. And it does such a good job. You can just see the dirt being scrubbed right off it. It's a really good alternative to a pressure washer, which has the tendency not to scrub the actual dirt off. It's just if something's stuck to it, it'll do a good job of that. Right, so I'm gonna just finish this up and then I'll show you the patio. Right, so it's time to do the patio. So this is the medium bristle on here. And what I really like about this is that you can position the head to how you want it just by pressing this button here. So I'm going to move it to about there because then, nope, that doesn't work. So about there, that's ideal. And you can even position the handle just so you can get the positioning right and have the right amount of force. So that's really decent there, so I'm going to go and turn that on. But first I'm going to just shift this back because I'm a little bit taller than this pane, so about there. That's ideal, so I'm nice and comfortable here. So just turn it on and away you go. This is so good, I love this. You just scrub away, and then again team, you'll just go over this with a hose once you're done, just to hose it off. Frankie here is not a fan. Okay, so I'm in the house. Now, I did mention that this is really good for dusting as well. So what I will do first is do the heat pump, so you can switch your position around. Just to dust that off. You can never reach up here either, so it's bloody perfect for that. And then you can switch your position. Now we've got 3-meter high ceilings because we've got an old villa. So you just switch it around like this, and then you can get up and behind here. It's honestly so handy and saves so much time and backache with a ladder too. Yeah, ideal. So just another use of that. Right, let's go do the car. Right guys, now we are onto the car. So I have also got with me the micro power scrubber, which is this little bad boy here. So it's basically just a smaller version of this that's not telescopic. So I will be using that for the majority of the car, but to get the roof, I will be using the telescopic one. So I've got the soft bristle brush on the telescopic pole and I'm ready to do the car. So I'm going to be doing the top first, but first I need to adjust it to about this so I can do the roof. This is so easy. And this one is nice and gentle on your paint job as well, so it's not going to damage it or anything like that. It's actually a lot softer than the ones that you get at, well, than a car wash itself. Ideal. Go over the roof rack here. Under there. Perfect. So that does a really good job. I've actually never cleaned the car with this one before. I'm really happy with that. So I'll just show you guys quickly the smaller one. So I've just got a battery in the waterproof housing there. Then I'll just undo this there, redo that, and it's the same scenario. Ideal. So this one's really good for like up close. Just remember team, you don't need to be applying heaps of pressure on this as well. So this is perfect. This is really good. I'm so stoked with this. And then you can even get in the smaller places that you couldn't really get in with the telescopic one as well. Cool. Right team, so that is the telescopic scrubber by Ryobi 18V. You can get this at Bunnings if you're in New Zealand and Australia. Epic product. I'm really happy with this and so glad to add it to my OnePlus kit as well. Thanks so much for watching team. Don't forget to subscribe, like this post, chuck your comments below, and go follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Mooch Style. Thanks team. The soft brush, I've got the soft brush brusher. What is that? Soft. So I've got the soft brush bristle.